Homey, on-demand property maintenance. Done right now. Getting your project completed is as easy as tapping a few buttons. After launching the app, simply select your job location and desired service type. You will then be able to upload photos or video of the job and add notes. Once complete, you can request your pro. Your request will notify all qualified pros in your area, starting with those closest to your location. After a pro accepts the job, you will be able to review the dispatch fee and by-minute rate and accept your pro. As your pro navigates to the job site, you will be able to track their progress. If they have to stop for parts along the way, their ETA will be updated to a new time. Once on site, they will start the timer. All work is timed down to the minute, and you only pay for the time your pro is actively working. When the job is done, your pro will add post-work photos and notes in an itemized receipt. After approval, you will be able to rate your pro and favorite them for future jobs. The Homey On Demand app is available at the Apple App or Google Play stores.